Charles did not expect Elliott wave 5 to be so short. Yeah, okay, if actually you base on, if you base on the we call the book, I mean the textbooks, right? Actually wave 5 can be any length as long as it is shorter than wave 3 and also perhaps wave 1. Okay, depends on how you guys apply the Elliott wave theory. Because for me, wave 3 is very clear. Wave 3 can be the strongest wave. So after that, wave 5, this is a clear pullback, you see, and then boom, another new high. So which means this can be a wave. We can calculate this as a wave. Okay, so right now we are actually, if you were to look further, right, actually we are having a B and maybe C, I don't know. Okay, let's see how it play out next week. For me, I'm actually expecting some sideways because you see we have run up a full wave here. See, let me check how many pips. It's actually around 600 pips. 600 pips run up, so do expect some sideways. Okay, next want to look at EJ. Okay, actually EJ I'm not trading, but I can share you guys some idea. Okay, let me remove all drawings. Okay, let's go into 1 week. Same top down analysis from weekly. We slowly go into daily and then H4. Okay, so for EJ, okay, EJ price action, 3 white soldier over here, see, boom boom boom, and then largest candlestick. Okay, and then suddenly we pull back. Okay, so this pullback can be caused by sell off, not sell off, so sorry, is buying power towards yen. Okay, because Japanese yen strong, Euro Japan came down. Okay, so for EJ actually the momentum is actually more or less same like Euro USD, because Euro USD we are having Euro in the front. Okay, so for Euro Japan, okay, we can actually see that the momentum is picking up. You see, these 4 candles actually showing a huge price movement compared to all these small candles. So you see they are momentum. So let's dig into daily. Okay, daily we finally cross over. See, okay, actually price considered as bottoming at here. Okay, this one is a fake break for sure. So now this one is a fake break, and then support, and then momentum kick in, and then this one MA crossover, and then upside. So whatever goes up must come down. Okay, this one is the law of trading. Okay, so daily chart we can actually continue buying because you saw or not, this one is actually the previous resistance flip support. Okay, so daily chart we have a very clear idea that price is actually towards upside. So let's go into 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour, let me use Fips will be the helpful tools. Okay, so for me I will use this wave because this one is a small pullback. Instead of using this because it's too far away, so I will be using this point as my bottom part to the highest part. Okay, so simple setup. We doesn't need to look back that much. Okay, but just an idea, maybe I just use this as a marking. Okay, so this one is previous support, so not. So that's all. We come back here. So usually if you are looking for a buy, I think this will be the optimum buy zone. Okay, do expect some sideways, same like Euro USD, then boom, further upside. Okay, because we can see that the momentum is here. Okay, one huge wave came back down. Okay, sideways, very normal. You just use Euro USD as your indicator. Okay, you see, because Euro USD I'm expecting on sideways, so same goes to EJ. Only if we have let's check the news. Okay, let's check what is ahead of us. So next week, let me filter all these more news. Okay, so Tuesday we are actually having the Japan monetary policy statement. So for those who are trading Japanese yen, you guys need to be cautious, okay, because there might be some big move on yen pair. So back to EJ, sideways. For me, it's a sideways. Same. Look for the zone. Okay, use fib levels to enter your buy. Okay, for sell, not sure. I'm not gonna sell this if you ask me. Okay, so that's all for EJ. So next, Adrian is asking for NU, New Zealand USD. Yeah, I actually looking at it, but I'm not trading it. Where is my NZD USD? Yeah, here, see, actually more or less most of the pairing, I mean USD pairing, I'm actually looking at further downside for US. Okay, before I going to New Zealand USD, right, if you look at dollar index, is it actually dollar index just broke its oh shit, it's very messy. Let me remove all the drawings. Okay, so you see actually Euro USD consolidate within this zone, see or not, bounce and then broken, retest, perhaps a continuation. Okay, so if US dollar index gonna be weak, for sure USD, I mean euro, pound, okay, or perhaps New Zealand dollar, we can actually further upside. Okay, depends on how you guys set up. You see, you just look for the zone. Okay, you see, this one is a clear support. Okay, if you zoom out, this one is a support, then broken, flip, see or not, support, flip, resistance. So here just apply the same thing, support, and then we flip as resistance. So if you are looking for a buy, EMA 100 will be the main indicator for you to enter your buy. Okay, or maybe 0.6375 is the zone for your buy. Okay, so TP for me open because you need to use Fibonacci to actually measure. So the next level, next high we can go is 0.6693. It's around 0.67, but this one is a long-term target. So not long-term target. Same, I'm also expecting a sideways before further upside, but you need to take note of this zone. So not, this one is the main support. So that's all for NU. Any more question? Any more question, guys? Any questions? GU, GJ, wow, so many. Actually GU last week I talked about GU. Actually GU quite disappointing, you see. I'm actually expecting the breakout, retest and then continuation, but I think the plan is still ongoing because you see, support, EMA 100, same, we are at H4 chart. H4 chart, you saw or not? This one resistance. You see, if you guys look at price action, right? Okay, let me close everything. You see, if we look at only price action, you see all the tail, I mean the wicks is right below the candle, so not, which means they are actually buying pressure. So not, this one is selling pressure, so not selling pressure, buying pressure, and then we use the most, I mean we go back to basic, higher high. So if you would draw a trend line, right, you see, we are actually going upside. Okay, so the plan still remain. Okay, for those who bought around